Good morning, students. Today we are going to our next topic, electromagnetic spectrum. After the explanation of Bohr model of atom. What is electromagnetic spectrum? The arrangement of different type of electromagnetic radiation in the order of increasing wavelength or decreasing frequency. Right? The arrangement of the different type of electromagnetic radiation in the order of increase wavelength and decrease frequency. It means that V is equals to C upon lambda, right? So wavelength inversely proportional to the frequency is known as electromagnetic spectrum. In electromagnetic spectrum, a small region known as visible spectrum, right? These range between 7.5 into 10 to the power 14 hertz or 380 nanometer to 760 nanometer, right? These rays, it means 380 nanometer to 760 nanometer range is a visible spectrum. Violet color of radiation is maximum frequency 7.5 into 10 power 14 hertz and wavelength is 380 nanometer, while red color frequency 4 into 10 power 14 hertz and wavelength is 760 nanometer. It means the wavelength of red is maximum and the wavelength of the violet color is minimum. These are the type of radiation in decreasing order of the frequency. First is cosmic rays, have high frequency, gamma rays, X rays, ultraviolet rays, visible radiation, infrared, microwaves and radio waves. These are the decreasing order of the, right, frequency. These arrangement decreasing order of the frequencies or increasing order of the wavelength. It means the frequency of cosmic rays is highest and the frequency of radio waves is lowest. On the other hand, the wavelength of radio waves is high and cosmic rays is low. That's clear? And the visible spectrum have wavelength 380 nanometer to 760 nanometer. That is clear? Now our next point is Planck quantum theory. In electromagnetic waves theory of radiations believe in the continuous generation of energy, but it is failed to explain black body radiation and photoelectric effect, right? These theory are good for continuously generation of energy, but it is failed to explanation of the black body radiation and photoelectric effect. But first of all, what is black body radiation? Black body is an ideal body which is perfect absorber or perfect imitator. It means perfect absorber means absorb of any type of radiation or emitted of any type of radiation is called black body radiation. An ideal body which is perfect absorber and perfect imitator, is called black body radiation. When solid are heated, they emitted energy radiation over the wide range of wavelength. For example, when an iron bar heated in a furnace means भट्टी, हिंदी में हम जिसे जनरली भट्टी बोलते हैं वह है फर्नेस, इन आयरन फर्नेस. तो फर्स्ट when heated, iron convert into the dull red and regularly increase the temperature, convert to the red, and then brighter orange, then yellow, then white, and finally blue. Right? At high temperature, it means they change color: dull red, red, bright strong orange, yellow, white, and finally blue. It means the red light has higher wavelength and blue light has lower wavelength. It means when the temperature increase and the radiation emitted goes from higher wavelength to lower wavelength. It is clear? When temperature increase, the radiation emitted from higher wavelength to lower wavelength. That's clear? So it is black body radiation. Another one is photoelectric effect. What is photoelectric effect? When we strike the radiation of the surface of the metal to eject electrons is called photoelectric effect. The phenomena of ejection of electron from the surface of the metal when light is suitable frequency strike on it is called photoelectric effect. The emitted electron, those electrons are emitted on the surface of the metal, is called photoelectron. That's right. Is called photoelectron. And my student, the properties of the photoelectric effect we will be going to study in our next period. Okay, thank you.